In a minute, I'm going to be talking about angle pair relationships, starting with complementary angles. In the meantime, do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. Another math jewel coming to you in a minute. What's up, everybody? My name is Dana Harris with Young Gurus Math Tutoring, and I'm back again to drop some more math jewels. In this video, I'm going to be talking about angle pair relationships, starting with complementary angles. Now, what are complementary angles, you say? So let's see, complementary angles, right? And I have to sound it out like that because I be spelling words wrong, right? So complementary angles are angles that have a sum of 90 degrees, right? So notice if you have two angles, angle A and angle B, that are complementary, we might say that angle A is the complement of angle B. All right, so complementary angles. Let's get into some examples. So as you can see behind me, I have two angles represented by algebraic expressions. Now, let's talk about what this means. That M means measure. So this is the measure of angle A equals 5x plus 8. And the measure of angle B equals x plus 4. Now, angle A and angle B are complementary angles, and we want to find out what is the measure of angle A, what is the measure of angle B. Let's get started. Right. So now we know that they are complementary, so they have a sum of 90 degrees. So 5x plus 8 plus x plus 4 equals 90. Some people put parentheses around both expressions. You don't necessarily have to, right? But what I do need to do is combine like terms, solve for x, right? So I can reorder these. I can say 5x plus x plus 8 plus 4. You don't have to do that step. I just like to do everything together. 5x plus x is 6x. 8 plus 4 is 12 equals 90. Now our goal is just to solve for x. Two-step equation, minus 12 minus 12. So I get 6x, those cancel, equals 78. 78, yes. So then now, boom, I divide by 6, and I get x equals, 13. 6 times 12 is 72, plus 6 is 78. So x equals 13, but that's not our solution. We need to figure out what is the measure of angle A, what is the measure of angle B. How do we do that? We substitute the 13 back in for x. So here what we have is 5 times 13 plus 8, which is 65 plus 8. So that equals 73 degrees. All right, so the measure of angle A equals 73 degrees. We're going to do the same thing for the measure of angle B. Let's squeeze it in over, let's erase this. All right, measure of angle B is x plus 4, so 13 plus 4, that's a little simpler. So 17, so measure angle B equals 17, right? So now we can double check. There's complementary angles. So 17 plus 73 is indeed 90. So we know that these are your measures, all right? In this example, I have the same scenario. I'm given the measure of angle B and the measure of angle A in an algebraic expression. But I do know that they're complementary angles. So I simply take the sum. So basically what I have is the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B equal 90. Well, all right, angle A is 3x minus 7. So I have 3x minus 7 plus 11x minus 1, and that equals 90. I want to combine like terms. 3x plus 11x is 14x. Negative 7 minus 1, or negative 7 plus negative 1 is negative 8, and that equals 90. I want to solve for x, so I need to get that. Add 8 here, add 8 there, cancel. 14x equals 98. Divide by 14, divide by 14. That's going to give me x is equal to, let's see, what is x? 14, 28. So 28, 56. That's, you know what? That's a good question. X is equal to, I'm stuck for a second. Seven. Sorry about that. It didn't come right to me. But now that I know that x equals 7, I can plug in these values to the expression for angle A and angle B. So I have, for angle A, I have 3 times 7 minus 7. So that's 21 minus 7, which equals 14. So the measure of angle A equals 14. All right. And the measure of angle B, I'm going to say 11 times 7. So measure angle B equals 11 times 7 minus 1. So 77 minus 1, 76. So the measure of angle B equals 76. Well, 76 plus 14 does equal 90. So now we know the measure of angle A is 14. The measure of angle B equals 76. Young Gurus Math Tutoring. I got the solution to your math problems.